After you have installed the extension, you will find this drop-down in your sheets. Selecting Settings will open a pop-up. Enter your CoinMarketCap API key and you are good to go. CoinMarketCap platform has a generous free tier, which provides you with 10,000 free API calls in a month. The dashboard will provide you with all important information on your API key usage. Once the API key is saved in your settings, all you need to do is call the crypto prices function from within the sheets. To ensure that the prices are updated at regular intervals, I need to go to the File menu and click on the Settings tab. So install the Cryptosheets extension and give us your feedback.